Hi, this is Mark with AFT Construction, and we are here at Project Worth the Wait, and today is drywall delivery day. As you can see behind me, we have two semi-trucks full of 5/8 drywall, and our challenge today is we have to get all of this drywall into this house right here through one little driveway. So here I am standing in the driveway. You can see they're using the forklift right now. They unload a stack at a time and pretty much just go right up to the garage, load it onto their cart, and then they wheel the cart inside the house and drop off different piles in different areas of different rooms. And then as we swing around this way, you can see a different option here. There's a crane attached to this truck. We will be using this shortly here. That's going to be backed into this driveway, and they're going to use the crane and hoist it up through the upstairs window to get all the drywall stocked upstairs. So as I was saying earlier, we have a ton of material to get into the house today. This first semi-truck right here, they have the joint compound, they have the screws. Behind that, they have the wall texture, and we have the 5/8 drywall. Here we have Den's glass. This is for exterior use. That will go on the patio lids. And then this is just one semi-truck. There's another semi-truck right here, which they're already unloading. So one of the ways they get the sheetrock into the house, you can see over here, he's using the forklift. He's unloading a stack at a time, and then he just brings that down the driveway here. And right behind you is where they unload it onto a cart. So we're currently in one of the bedrooms in the back of the house. You can see that they estimate how many sheets to stack in each room. These guys are a different crew. They just deliver the drywall. They know how many sheets to put in each room for the hangers. And after these guys are done, the hangers will come in and hang the drywall. Then after that, we will have a different crew. That there will be the joint tapers. They'll come in and start skimming all the joints, and again after that is typically a different crew that comes and does all the corner bead, and then the final skim coat will be a different crew also. A lot of different steps to this and a lot of different crews. So you can see that they're going around these tight corners with this cart. They typically bring about 14 sheets on each cart. They're running 2 or 3 carts right now. I believe there's 6 guys here just bringing them in one after another. And you can kind of see the tight corners they have to go around. These are 12-foot sheets.
12 by 4, 102 pounds a sheet.
102 pounds per sheet. Sandwiched together 2 sheets at a time. Okay, we're upstairs in one of the bedrooms. This window right here is going to be the access that they crane the drywall through to get it upstairs. This is pretty much our only option. They definitely don't want to be hauling that stuff up the stairs, which the stairs turns 2 times, so that's really not an option. So the crane will actually, the driveway is on this side of the house, so they'll back up their truck with the crane right there, and then they'll lift the stacks and up on this roof right here. They won't actually touch the roof. They'll hang it right in the window, and then the guys will, from this point, pull it through the window. Obviously, they'll protect the surfaces of this window so they're not dragging on the window ledge, and that's how they're gonna get the drywall upstairs. Being upstairs, they're still gonna have to, once they bring it into this room through that window, they're still gonna have to take it across to the other rooms. Down the hallway here, and you can see it's kind of a tight turn, but they'll still bring several sheets, some in the laundry room right here, and then we have another bedroom down here that they're going to have to stack some sheets in here. Also, we have a closet, a bathroom, so yeah, the upstairs is going to be a challenge to get the sheets up here. I'm Mark with AFT Construction, and thanks for checking us out here at Project Worth the Wait, and hit that like button and subscribe and stay tuned for more content.